Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers in your Motorola G73. So, we starting from the Firefox. So, in this welcoming screen, just tap on the zero mask and you are in the Incognito Mode. But if you have any tab opened, just click on the taskbar icon, switch to the zero mask and add a private. That's it. The next one is Opera. In the Opera, like before, go to the taskbar icon, choose the private and add a tab. Now the Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, just click on the three-dot icon or arrow icon and choose New Incognito tab. And the last one, the Microsoft Edge. Taskbar icon, in private, add a tab. And now your history cache file is the completed forms or just words from the keyboard will be not saved. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.